Hello, I am Sarbasis Kumar Pal. Today I am interested to tell something about our future. We are passing critical time. We have been stayed near about 2 months, and how long we have to stay at home. Really, it's very tough for us. And after this, what will be the economical condition of our country, not only our country, whole world, as because our country cannot be isolated from whole world. So we are thinking about it, but we should think that if our power is one drop of water, then the all powers, if we add all powers of living element, it will make an ocean. And there are two powers, kinetic, there are two energy, kinetic energy and potential energy. In this time lockdown stage, we have to store more kinetic energy, and after breaking lockdown, after passing this situation, these will be converted to kinetic energy. We know the total power and total mass is constant. So if the total sum of kinetic and potential energy will be constant. So in this time we do not take rest. We should think that when a boat faces storm in the middle of river, what happens? The sailor hold the paddle tightly. So in this time we should do more hard work to overcome the stage. We should not lose patience. So in this time, I think every man has some extraordinary powers, some extraordinary powers. So we should awake our power, and we should conserve our power. In the language of physics, we should acquire more kinetic energy. So we should not lose our patience. If we think spiritual, if we think uh, in if we think spiritually, we think that God is one. Ramakrishna Dev told that God is one. If we put 10, then it will be 10. If we put 20, then it will be 100. If we put 30, then it will be 1000, and that's why it will increase. So we should not lose our patience. We will stay home and we will do more work to overcome this critical time. Thank you so much.